Are you trying to eat healthier this year, but candy keeps getting in the way of your goals? If you answered yes, come join me in the kitchen. Today I'm sharing my favorite healthy dessert treat that takes minutes to prepare and will leave you feeling healthy and satisfied with every bite. My name's Rakoczy and I'm the founder of Homemade Method. We're a life-changing cooking and lifestyle program dedicated to helping women in their 50s, 60s and 70s take back control of their health and achieve incredible health results in the most simple yet proven ways possible. By implementing our tiny tweaks and simple switches methodology, we've helped over 10,000 ladies lower high blood pressure, cholesterol and blood sugars, reduce body pain and inflammation, regulate triglycerides and even lose weight from 10 pounds to over 140 pounds. All without diet. Now, to get started on the real reason you're watching today's video, I'm sharing one of my all-time favorite dessert recipes. We cover this in the Decadent Desserts module of our program. That's right, we have an entire module dedicated to desserts. Today, we're making dark chocolate and pecan stuffed dates. They're rich, sticky, chewy, and nourishing, and they satisfy your sweet tooth like no other. Plus, they're decadent and taste just as good as any sweet or candy. Now, I'm going to list the ingredients you'll need in order to make these tasty treats. So grab your pen and paper. All right, let's go. You're going to need 10 medjool dates, 10 pecans, 100 grams of dark cooking chocolate, preferably try to get the 70% cacao chocolate, 2 to 3 tablespoons of shredded coconut and some sea salt. Now, to start assembling, you'll begin cutting your dates in half lengthwise in order to remove the pits. And once the pits are removed, you can go ahead and start stuffing the dates with your pecans. Now, I prefer pecans, but if you prefer another nut like cashews or almonds or walnuts, you can certainly substitute this step with the one you like best. Now comes the best part, dipping them in the dark chocolate. In a saucepan or a microwave, melt the dark cooking chocolate on low heat until it's melted. Be careful not to overcook it or else it won't be gooey enough to drizzle. Once you have a nice and smooth consistency and while the chocolate is still hot, you'll drizzle the melted chocolate over the dates or dip them into the bowl using a spoon in order to coat them. And lastly, you'll use a pinch of shredded coconut as the topping and some optional sea salt, which actually brings out the sweetness even more. Then just pop them into the refrigerator and they should be set in about 5 minutes. Now, the amazing thing about dates is that unlike your average candy or lollies or whatever, they're full of nutrients and actually beneficial for your health. They're rich in fiber and antioxidants, which helps regulate your blood sugars, supports healthy weight loss, and reduces your risk for several cancers. They're also great for your brain health and memory, which is especially important as we age. And they're also full of rich minerals, which help strengthen your bones and can even reduce arthritic pain. Not to mention, they make an amazing natural sweetener and can be used in a variety of other dishes, like homemade granola, smoothies, shakes, and other decadent treats. Now, it only takes a few minutes for the chocolate to set in the fridge, so I'm gonna go ahead and take these dates out because I can't wait to try them. Now, tell me this isn't a delectable dessert, and it packs a big nutritional bang for your buck with none of the guilt. Now, I've got one last tip for you so you can have tasty treats on hand next time you have a hankering for some sugar. I actually like to lay my dark chocolate pecan stuffed dates, quite a mouthful, out on some parchment or baking paper like this. And then I lay them inside an airtight Tupperware container and store them in the freezer. When they freeze, they go kind of hard and chewy, and I find this helps me even more with portion control because you slow down when you're eating them without compromising on flavor, and they keep fresh this way for up to a month, so it's a win-win. So go ahead and enjoy. Now just remember, these delights are still dense in calories, so enjoy in moderation. But they're so rich, sweet and chewy that I normally find just one totally hits the spot. But don't take my word for it. Try it for yourself and see. So on your next trip to the grocery store, be sure to pick up a bag of dates so you can start reaping the rewards they offer and treat yourself without the guilt or the downside to your health. Now, I hope you clicked the like button, and if you didn't, well, this is your last chance. See you in the next video.